Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can keep producing more quality content to help you make money in our ever-raising economy. Now that you've gotten that out of the way, let's begin. 1 year ago, my friends started their YouTube channel from 0 subscribers and just $34 in the bank. Today, they have over 90,000 subscribers and have earned over $100,000, all without showing their face once. How did they do it? In this video, you'll see exactly how they went from knowing nothing about YouTube automation to dominating their niche and turning their small channel into one of the most profitable ones on YouTube based on subscriber count. To understand how they got here, we need to go back a bit. During their last year of high school, they realized that college wasn't for them. They didn't want a traditional career path, stuck in an office job. Instead, they craved freedom, the ability to set their own schedule, make money, and provide real value. Although they had a clear goal, they had no idea how to achieve it. So they took action and started researching ways to make money online. That's when they stumbled upon YouTube automation, posting videos without ever showing their face. They noticed channels like America's Got Talent compilations getting tons of views, and at first thought that lots of views meant lots of money. It seemed simple enough, so they launched their first channel and posted a few compilation videos. To their surprise, these videos racked up a lot of views. For a moment they thought they'd figured it out, but then reality hit. Using other people's content led to copyright issues, and they didn't earn a penny from those videos. All the effort felt wasted, and they even started to wonder if YouTube automation was a scam. Were they wasting their time? At the time, AI was blowing up, so they pivoted. Rather than doing everything themselves, they hired a team, scriptwriters, editors, and thumbnail designers to help create original, high-quality content. Slowly, their channel started growing the right way. Now, after watching this video, you'll have the exact blueprint they used to build this successful channel. They'll walk you through every detail, from how they find viral topics to the team behind the scenes. Stick around and you'll learn how to replicate this process yourself. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, follow a proven concept that's already working. Analyze top creators in your niche and create better versions of their videos. Start by scrolling through YouTube to see what's trending and what people are interested in. Look for niches with viral videos that have 100,000 plus views, because that shows there's an audience eager for that content. Next, thoroughly analyze your competitors. One sign of a viral niche is when smaller channels are getting lots of views. That means YouTube's algorithm is pushing their videos to new viewers, leaving room for growth. If only massive channels are dominating, it may be harder to break in, so look for niches where you can carve out your own space. If manual research feels overwhelming, AI tools can now help automate the process of finding a niche. These tools filter through YouTube data, identify trends, and suggest niches ripe for growth. Using these tools can save you time, but remember, there needs to be money in your chosen niche. If there's no profitability, your hard work could go to waste. Before launching this successful channel, my friend had another one where they reposted animated clips. It grew to 100,000 subscribers in just 6 months, but despite the growth, they didn't make a single dollar. That experience taught them a valuable lesson. View counts alone don't equal revenue. You must make sure your niche can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, or product sales. Once you've chosen a profitable niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. Branding is key. Invest time in creating a unique profile picture, banner, and description that reflect your niche. Use relevant keywords in your description for better SEO to help your channel get discovered. Content creation is the most important part of YouTube automation. Your topic is the key factor. Even with great editing, a video won't succeed without a good topic. Research what's getting views in your niche and choose topics with high engagement. Once you have your topic, craft an engaging script and add your own twist. A conversational yet direct tone works best, keeping viewers engaged from start to finish. Next, focus on editing. The best videos are visually engaging, with dynamic elements like animations, captions, and music. If you lack editing skills, hire a professional editor to elevate your content. Thumbnails are equally crucial. The thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so it needs to be visually compelling. Study successful channels to identify what works, like bold text, striking images, or vibrant colors. Test different designs through A/B testing to find what resonates with your audience. By continually refining these elements, engaging scripts, professional editing, and eye-catching thumbnails, you'll build a successful YouTube channel. Persistence and smart planning are key. My friend's journey shows that success isn't about luck. It's about learning, adapting, and putting in the work. So now it's your turn. Start today, find your niche, build your team, and stay persistent. If they can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on YouTube automation. Let us know in the comments if you're ready to start your YouTube journey. We'd love to hear your goals.